If you're thinking about becoming a licensed car dealer in Iowa, this video is going to walk you through everything step by step. We're covering who actually needs a license, the $75,000 dealer bond, facility requirements, insurance requirements, the 8-hour class inspections, and how to avoid expensive mistakes. And if you need the resources, applications, bond quotes, or insurance info, all the links are in our bio. Let's get into it. In Iowa, you must get licensed through the Iowa Department of Transportation, Iowa.if you acquire, sell, or exchange vehicles, display vehicles for sale, broker vehicle sales, accept vehicles on consignment, conduct retail auctions, act as an agent in vehicle transactions. Important rule: if you sell more than 6 vehicles in a 12-month period, the state presumes you are engaged in the business. Selling over 6 cars without a license can lead to criminal charges for curbstoning. So if you're serious, get licensed. Iowa has strict place of business requirements. Office requirements: you must have a permanent office, a landline telephone in the dealership's name, open at least 32 hours per week, Monday, Friday. No home-based, casual setups. You must have a fully enclosed repair facility that is separate from your display and office area. Minimum size: 14x24 for standard vehicles, 10x15 for motorcycles. Display area requirements: your display area must be indoor or outdoor. Have an all-weather surface, no grass or dirt. Minimum 18x30 for vehicles, 10x15 for motorcycles. You need a $75,000 surety bond. Get your dealer surety bond from the experts at All American Bonds and Insurance. You can apply online for a quote at quickerbonds.com. And minimum liability coverage of $100,000 bodily injury per person, $300,000 for 2 or more people, and $50,000 property damage. All American Bonds and Insurance can help you get affordable coverage for your insurance as well. If you're applying as a used vehicle dealer, you must complete an 8-hour pre-licensing class through the Iowa Independent Automobile Dealers Association before your application is approved. Now you know what to do in order to become a licensed auto dealer in Iowa. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more auto dealer tips. We wish you the best of luck, and we'll see you in the next video.